Alright, y'all, so I gotta put these doors back on, man. I'm not happy about it, but you know what? It needs to be done because the temperature is steady dropping even as I'm sitting here. So I'm just about to get that done. It's gonna be just as easy putting them back on as it was taking them off. So basically putting the doors back on is pretty much like the whole process of taking them off in reverse. So one of the last things I added, as you can see right here, is a foot peg right here. So like a lot of times when I'm driving, I just be driving with my foot out the door, just chilling, you feel me? Like I have whatever shoe, you feel me? Like don't let it be a day where your shoe game is popping, bro. Like shoes gonna be on display like bow, you feel me? So that's really dope. Or if I don't feel like just hanging my leg, like this really just a lazy drive. If I'm just like chilling and I just want to stretch out, you feel me? Just let the seat back, you feel me? And then I'm chilling, bro. Like most comfortable way to drive right here for real. But if I'm really like in my zone and I'm really trying to get somewhere and I'm like, all right, now it's time to bend, you feel me? Just bend that thing just like that there. So I put these foot pegs on here, so I'm gonna take the foot pegs off and I gotta take the mirrors off on both sides, and then the doors will be ready to go back on. So I'm gonna get into that right now. Why the FedEx man circling the block lit, bruh? That's his music out here, yo. So one mirror off, one foot peg off. Now we gonna go around and do the other side. Same thing on the other side, nothing too fancy. Alright, so now we got both mirrors off and both foot pegs off, so I'm gonna go secure these and then we'll put the doors on. Okay, so now that we got the foot pegs and the mirrors taken off, the doors are ready to be reattached. Obviously, we're gonna start with the two doors on this side because we already faced this way, you feel me? I'm gonna start with the lighter door. I don't even feel like jumping into nothing really heavy this morning. Like the front doors, they're not exactly heavy. Obviously, I still lift them fine, but the back doors are lighter than the front doors because they're smaller, you feel me? So I'm gonna start with the back door first. Let me get these bolts that I took out yesterday because you're gonna need those. Now, then you put the screw back in that secures the door to the frame of the Jeep. And then, last but not least, connect your power windows back up. And it's actually easier to reconnect than it is to disconnect. One door down, 3 to go. This is the one that always gives me trouble, but we're gonna knock it out today, man, no problems. Fixed it. It don't make that weird sound no more. That's so good. Now we're gonna reconnect this one. Now I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. This one is definitely easier to reconnect, like I said, than disconnect. Everything usually just goes into place. I know it took me a minute to disconnect this yesterday, but for the most part, reconnecting super simple, y'all. Go. All right, so 2 down. Now we just gotta flip this thing around and put the other 2 on. All right, so once again, we're gonna start with the back. The back is pretty simple. Cool. There we go. 3 out of 4. Done. This door heavy as fuck today for some reason. There we go. Thank you. Damn, that shit was a lot, bruh. So here's one thing I noticed, y'all. When putting your Jeep doors back on, if you don't want it to pop when you open the door like that, if you don't want it to pop like that, you gotta bend it when you're reattaching it to your door and screw it in that way. Screw it in that way. Now when you open it, it's not gonna pop. Feel me? Now that everything is plugged back in, you feel me? You can actually let the windows up now. So that's what I'm about to do. Let the back windows up. And then we're gonna let the front windows at least halfway up. I do like to leave them cracked sometimes in case I ever like forget my keys or get locked out or whatever the case may be. And now we secure the tools. That's all you gotta do now. We done. Hopefully Draco don't get out, man. He look like he up to something low key. All right, man, now I'm finna get me something to eat. Actually, low-key, I've been wanting Chipotle, so I might just go grab some Chipotle right quick. But first things first, now that I got the doors off, I don't need no jacket in there, bro. I'm about to come up out this hoodie, and I'm about to go to Chipotle for lunch, you feel me? Let go. Oh, by the way, if you like this hat I have on, it says Film Crew. The affiliate link is down below. This is a company called Crew Members Only, and if you've been following my journey, you know I used to work in the TV and film industry. Sometimes I still do, depending on if I like the gig or not. But this brand, Crew Members Only, is really dope. You can get this hat and many more like it at crewmembersonly.com. If you want to get like other colors, orange, black, green, whatever, pink, they got you. Hit them up at crewmembersonly.com. Alright, the affiliate link, I'm gonna post the affiliate link down below. I like these hats because they're hella comfortable. They pretty much got a color for every fit that I have, and plus they snapbacks, and I love my snapbacks, you feel me? So crewmembersonly.com, hit them up. The link is in my description down below. If you use my link, obviously you get some money off, and I know y'all love saving money, so make sure y'all do that, you feel me? I ain't gonna get no chips this time either because I got my own lime chips. I don't gotta use Chipotle little chips, especially if they gonna charge me $2 every time, you feel me? I ain't gonna pay no extra $2 for them little stale chips they be offering, you feel me? I don't have much planned for my day. I don't really plan things for real. I know everybody be like, oh, we should get together, we should do this, we should do that. But I'm like, all right, yeah, we should, I agree. But if you got an idea of something we should do, hit me up when you ready now. Cause all this we should, we could, we would, miss, that don't really work for me. Like, hit me up when you ready to do it right then and there. Like, I don't know how it is in other parts of the world, but especially out here in LA, people always be like, oh, we should do this, we should do that, we should hang, we should do this, we should get together. And I'm like, bruh, if you want to get together, plan something and then tell me when you're ready. You feel me? Otherwise, I'm just gonna be chilling in my solitude. I'm never gonna volunteer to give up my solitude to hang out with nobody. Cause I'm not really a people person like that. Like I told y'all, I'm not really a people person. But shit, whenever people wanna get up with me, I mean, my number ain't changed in years and over a decade. So I just let people decide what works for them. I'm so hungry, bro. Let me go ahead and stir this Chipotle up. Feel me? Give me a few bites. But I really want to wait till I get home to eat most of it, so I can eat it with my lime chips that I got. She put way too much lettuce in this. Golly, bruh. It's like she grabbed a whole handful, bruh. Y'all see all this lettuce? Bro, who finna eat all this? Let me see. Damn lettuce in the way. Can't even get to the chicken. Wow. It really seemed like something missing. Like some salsa or something. Maybe just the chips. It should be here though. Yeah, that's it right there. We'll finish that at home with some chips. We sure will. And I got the extra bottles of water right here from yesterday too. Oh yeah. Let go.